What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We are Kostav and Anakshi, but Anakshi is not here. She is somewhere at a restaurant with her sister. Tai bozar koribo goise. She went to quick shoppy, whatever it is called in Zoo Road. And they are waiting at a restaurant. I'll go in, see what they're doing, see what they're having. কিবা যদি ভাল খাই আছে আপোনালোকক দেখাম so yeah, we are Kostav and Anakshi. Please drop a like, subscribe if you're new here, share the vlog, help us reach 4-5k. I guess that would be nice. So yeah, let's go. Just reached Seniguti, so they are at Bowlers. We might go to Bakehouse actually. That's a cafe that I really like. And the Bowlers are nice. So I don't think so I'll have anything, but they might be having something. Hello. ইয়াতে কি আছে একে বস্তুৱে দেখা পায় এফালে সেম বস্তু দেখা পায়
মই আজি নিজৰ লগত কথা কথা নিচিনা লাগে ৰবা
হেল্ল'
ওৰে মই তো এনে কি কথা পাতি আছো
কিবা অডিপ্ৰ ফ্ৰাইড ৰাইচ এইটো কি হয় বাইদেউ
তাৰো
মই কিবা এটা ড্ৰিংক খাম হা
চিয়ৰ
তই কিবা ড্ৰিংক লৈছ নেকি
এইটোৱে খালো
বাইদেউ কি খাইছ
বাইদেউ কি হয় বাইদেউ টেম্পুৰা আছে নাই ফ্ৰাই এইটো যে স্পিনাচৰ যে চিপছ টাইপৰ
মই কিবা ড্ৰিংক খাম হা লেটছ সি কি হয় এইটো something fried rice. This is something. This is chutney, chili oil. Looks very nice. কি কৈছে ক অলপ
নাই that is secret 101
পেক কৰিলে এইখিনি ন now we'll go out bye bye these guys are going home ইহঁতক কেবত উঠাই দিলোঁ তাৰপিছত মই যাম ঘৰ বিকজ আই হেভ থিংছ টু ডু অঁ কুঁৱলী মাটি কুঁৱলী ন কুঁৱলী নহয় চৰি কুঁৱলী নহয় কুঁৱলী চক এনিৱেজ টুডে ইজ দ্য নেক্সট ডে ইটছ ডে 2 of the vlog and today we are at the Tibetan restaurant. We are going to cafe. Is it cafe? Resto cafe likha ase. So yeah, we're going to try some Tibetan food. শুনিছোঁ খুবেই ভাল হয় কোনোবা আৰু বেলেগ ব্লগাৰ্ছ বিলাকেও বনাইছে so we'll go and try it out কৈ দে like subscribe assistant কাম কৰক না
like and subscribe and আৰু কিছু comment down below
yes let's go Tibetan food Lhasa the retro a lot of people I think a lot of options, menus and stuff. Horse for love, Jaja Desavarate, Tupas, noodles, rices, 10 chips, Tibetan veg, non-veg, specials, which is like,
momo to
Muktu or chicken pork ki?
pork and chicken
dip. So I do patuk pata, I do pork. Yeah, तो ये तुक्पा जैसा ही होगा ना
तुक्पा है क्योंकि अपने ना नूडल्स तो सफेदा है
बॉम्बे से
क्यों ना
हाँ so then last जो roasted pork no salad I don't know ना roasted pork ribs
which was in ना
ठीक है ये तो salad style के बनी किन्हीं को
we don't know basically give it आपका एक तो तुम्हारा नाम है
ठीक है सर আৰু এটা ফ্ৰেছ লাইম সোডা মিক্স আহি গ'ল ফ্ৰেছ লাইম সোডা ট্ৰাই কৰোঁ মই ট্ৰাই কৰোঁ দে কৰ
something is missing
let me try তই নাজানো let me try It's a bit more tenga, a bit more masala. Chaat masala, masala namak, whatever it is. দেখিবলৈ তো খুবই ভাল লাগিছে জ্ঞাতক Spicy pork rib looks really nice. How or no? Oh, momo will keep coming. We will eat.
গৰম নে?
Sabzi like it hai, which I don't like. নিমখ দিব মোক
নিমখ
আৰু some chutney.
chutney আছে I think the chili into oil to di পেলাই খাবিছো
এবাৰ এনেই খাই চাওঁ.
এনে খাইছো
Lots of veggies. Very mild flavor.
মোৰ কাৰণে ভাল লাগে এইবিলাক। আৰু মোৰ এই নুডলছটো বহুত ভাল লাগে চেপ্টা নুডলছ
Lucy Tikibo. She really likes the noodles. She's gonna put some chili oil on it.
চিলি অইল
Chutney do we need?
চাটনি নিদিওঁ দেই
Now it looks really nice. Try it. কেনেকুৱা হয়?
It's very slippery
It is slippery.
এইটো দিয়ে খাওঁ
তই চপষ্টিকেদি খাব নোৱাৰিলি হয়. Nice, no? I want to try. By the way, pork is cooked really well. Good, halke. I mean, video start karna hai. We'll start and see how this is cooked or not. But this is pretty cooked.
It's hot.
Nice. I like hot.
এটাই
Ooh. Hindu crispy.
crispy
And the inside is
soft
cooked.
গ্রেভিলে ওপরে সফট হয়ে যায়
Oh yeah. Very different taste to this.
It's very Chinese flavor type, no? Chinese chicken chili and what? I think it's there.
This is the meat part. This is the fat part. Try the meat part now. Anyway,
It's a bit chewier.
we put a lot of chili oil and chutney into it. Now it tastes very different. First it was a bit less salty, less spicy, very bland flavor asile. Now we give it a little bit of our twist. Sabzi tabzi bahut ase. Obviously this is how Tibetans or hilly areas prepare food. Because ami jeta Nepal to bahut uporat goisilo, food was like this only. It was very middle ground on mane, no? So yeah, but this is very nice. Pork is, some parts of it is cooked well, some part is, I felt is could have been better. Anakshi feels it's good. No? Anakshi feels it's really good. I feel it's okay. I like this one. I'm a motor here, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Come on, Tom, we're going to finish the noodles. Momo to hawa na ekya amar. Nice, right? Yeah, I liked it actually. This is also done. This part was really nice. Last or burnt part kini khawale. It was very tasty. Oh, yeah. Like afterwards, I take back. I liked it too. So it's very good actually. Now we wait for the momo. This is our soupy momo. Ki koi do? Mokthuk. So this is mokthuk. Dekha paise apnaloke dhua ole ase. It is very hot day. You're gonna. Okay, it looks very nice, guys. Looks very tasty. Hopefully the momos are juicy as well inside. It's similar to that.
এইটো নিচিনা
Yeah, doesn't taste very different.
মোৰ লাগিছিলে
Tasty similar to that. মোমোটো এতিয়া খাব নোৱাৰিম নেকি বহুত গৰম হয় I'll try.
ফিলিংটো গৰম
বহুত Feeling is nice.
juicy
Not really.
গৰম নাজানো খাব পাৰিম
Anakshi is having it with Gosgosoni. She likes Gosgosoni just like Diksha Patgiri. গৰম আছে কিন্তু চাবি পাৰিছ দে তই মইতো এইখিনিও নোৱাৰোঁ I cannot have so much মই একদম ঠাণ্ডা খাওঁ but yeah the momos are decent I wouldn't say they are really good they are not juicy but they have a nice flavor they have good amount of meat in them veggies are nice if you like veggies you'll like them both of the soups are same taste so yeah if you get the other you won't be missing anything over here but overall it's very nice show you guys a neat trick take some chili oil here
oh ma that's
then you put it on the soup just sabi ki hoy very hot
বেছি ধৰিছো তই
it's nice though it's nice so yep we finished eating finished everything we managed to fuck up the momo soup really bad
উই নহয়
oh sorry not we know me I Kostav I put too much chili oil chutney I so di dilu aur olop beya hoy gol but yeah we drank a lot of it etu khaisu both were same so yeah overall food was very nice very full no hane nai
depan tunggu cepat review isi dibalik pun nalange deh
so yep we are done eating everything was for 740 ঠিক ঠাক price olop solop kom olop solop beshi depends moktuk was for the momo was for 190 the noodles were 190 ribs were 250 fresh lime was 100 so yeah that was little Lhasa do come and visit it's nice actually nice some of the things could have been better but
I think it's nice it's okay only
কেনেকুৱা লাগিল দেখাই প্ৰাইচ হিচাপত
মোৰটো প্ৰাইচ হিচাপে ভাল লাগিছে
ফ্ৰাই হিচাপে ভাল লাগিছে অঁ দ্য ম'ম'জ ৱেৰ নাইচ ভিতৰৰ মিটখিনি বঢ়িয়া আছিলে দে ৱেৰ নট ভেৰি জুচি বাট
I guess we should have ordered only momos no আমি দুটাই
অঁ দুটাই চুপি দি দিলোঁ চ' সেইটো কাৰণে আমাৰ মেবি উল্টা হৈ গ'ল নুডলছ ৱেৰ নাইচ কিন্তু দিছ টিবেটিয়ান টাইপ ষ্টাইল ফুড ইজ নট ফৰ এভৰি ওৱান কাৰণ ইফ ইউ লাইক আ লট অফ স্পাইচ লট অফ এয়াৰ লাইক হাউ উই ডু বাট আমি চব খাওঁ চ' আমাক মানে চলি যায় আৰু চব্জি বেছি দিলেও ঘাঁহ চুচ বেছি দিলেও ডাজন্ট মেটাৰ মই ইমান নাখাওঁ তাই খায় দীক্ষাও খায় চ' ইয়া বাট অভাৰঅল ফুড ৱাজ নাইচ লাইম সোডা ৱাজ বেড আই won't say it was decent or yeah decent I won't say it was decent it was actually bad lime soda and then the pork ribs was nice first impressions on the pork ribs was not good but as I kept eating later on it was actually very nice so yeah that's it for today drop a like if you're new here subscribe if you're new here share the vlog and we will see you guys
so much for watching
in our next vlog thank you bye Anakshi found the cat everyone I found then you saw usi ko nahe dekhi bechara he's scared gol ge nahe and as luck would have it Anakshi has managed to find another cat this cat comes close never mind he went
look at me I think she's
pregnant I don't know so yeah we were just strolling around hey to eta সেইটো এটা আৰু সেইটো এটা সেইটো এটা ব'ল যাওঁ